4. Section 4 had Lot 69 and Building 342. So remember in the beginning, we had Building 343, 344. Well, guess what? 342, adjacent to it. Again, it was a training building associated with instrumentation, maintenance, sources, cow labs. And Lot 69 was a laydown building. Dozens of samples, swipes collected, and again, no residual radioactivity.